For my next video, I'd like to do one from the company Trixhub, Trixhub, and their TH006 portable flashlight. So I want to go ahead and, as usual, we'll do the unboxing first, and then after the unboxing we'll get into some tech specs. And let's see, there's not a whole lot to unbox here. It's pretty straightforward. Packing, small instruction manual, not a whole lot to it. And you get a USB-A to USB-C lanyard. I love lanyards on stuff. It's a nice little touch, and it detaches if you have to. Okay, and it's a very tactile, clicky feel to it. And when I zoom in like that, it actually hurts. It's getting warm. If I'd leave it there long enough, it'd get really warm. So it's a very bright light. We'll get into the how much here shortly. You can zoom in and out. Tap it again, it dims. Tap it again, you have your lights on the outside. Tap it again, you have red lights. On the bottom, you have the percentage of what's left for the charge. And then in the waterproof gate there, you have a USB-A and a USB-C. One is to charge it. One is for, like, for example, charging your phone, whatever. And again, we're going to go over some tech specs and see what we have for power and all kinds of good stuff here. So let's get right into that. So next we have, this is their Trixhub rechargeable flashlight, high lumens, super bright flashlight, 4 modes with red LED flashing tactical flashlight. It's high powered, large size. It's actually very large size. You can see the hands there. It's a little bit overdone with the hands. I'm looking at that picture that I'm going to put on, and it's not quite that big. That's like maybe a little kid's baby's hands, but it's big. And the size we'll go into is coming up here. We'll go into this first. It's 4-in-1 versatile lighting mode. Switch between high, low, side light, red flashing with one button. Powerful illumination. These rechargeable flashlights will deliver an impressive high lumens of bright LED. Rechargeable flashlight. The LED flashlight, high lumens, recharges, is built in 2 interfaces. One is a Type-C output for charging the other, and the other is a USB-A, which can charge your smartphone. I'm sorry, USB-C is to charge your output, can charge your smartphones, earphones, and other USB devices. LCD digital display on the bottom end. As I showed you, the LCD power display is clearly visible. Durable connection made with sturdy materials to withstand drops in harsh conditions. Okay, so we have lithium ion. There's 6 AAA batteries that are inside of it, or you can have one powerful rechargeable. So we have a real 9,000 milliamp battery. It's 32 hours max running time, 4 hours charging time. So you've got quite a bit there. So it's a tactical flashlight suitable for outdoor hiking, cycling, or camping. So let me get out the tape measure here and let's measure this. So we got 2.1 diameter at the front, at the beam part, 1.73 at the bottom part, and it's 8.15 in length. So it's pretty good size length. So there we go. That's my video on the Trixhub TH006. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get this. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.